Hi there, Earl the Energy Expert, and here is another solar educational video. Today, the topic we're covering is what happens if you have solar panels on your home and you're going to sell your home. So the simple answer is, depending on what kind of program you have for your solar panels, whether it's a loan or you're leasing it or some type of PPA program, which means Power Purchase Agreement, they all have different options. But two most common things that happen when people have solar, whether it's a loan or a PPA, is going to be number one, the person buying your home will take over your monthly payments as long as they qualify for the program, whether it's a loan or a PPA type program. And to qualify, it's usually a 650 credit score, which they should have if they're buying your home. So they would just come right in and take over your monthly payments wherever you left off. The second option, which doesn't happen as often, is the person buying your home can choose to pay off the system when they buy the home. That way they have no electricity bill. Or the person selling the home adds the rest of the loan or lease into the value of the home and sells it that way so that the person has no electricity bill coming into the home. So that's the answer to what happens when you sell your home. And a common question I get a lot is, what if the person wanting to buy my home doesn't want the solar? The simple answer to that is you don't sell the home to that person, because you're not going to pay money to pay off the system, get it removed, just so you can sell your house. That would be similar to taking out granite countertops or windows or a pool because the person buying your home doesn't want it. But the big difference here is, unlike a pool that costs a lot of money to run every month, the solar panels is an investment that is actually saving the home money every month because it's producing its own electricity. In a lot of markets where the electricity rates are high in that state or city, solar energy is cheaper than buying energy from the utility company. So it's not very likely that a home buyer would call you and say, hey, I like your home, but I don't like the solar panels. It could happen, and if it does, like I said, you'll have more than one buyer looking at your home. There are thousands of people, probably millions of people that have solar on their home and that have sold their home, and people that buy homes with solar. So you're going to find somebody that wants your home because it has solar. They're not going to call you and say, hey, can you take it off for me? Then I'll buy it. If I was that person selling the home, I would say, hey, it's as is. This is the price. And solar panels actually save you money. It's an investment and not a liability. So, more people will want your home with the solar than not. So if that 1 out of 10, that person calls you and says, we don't like the solar, that's fine. You can find another buyer. But that's the answer to what happens if you sell your home, whether it's a year later, 5 years later, 10 years later. You have those two options: pass on the payments or pay it off when you sell the home. If you like this information, please subscribe, follow me for more information. I will be making more videos to answer any and all of your questions when it comes to energy efficiency in your home, solar panels, and other things of the sort. So thanks again. I'll see you on the next video.